Hi friends, I'm Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today we are embracing the flavors of the season, the radish stir fry with leaves. A simple side dish but will explain how to cook this to perfection, retaining all its nutrients. Radish leaves are a pack of nutrients rich in iron and magnesium, loaded with fibers, has plenty of health benefits. Heat up a cooking vessel. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard and half teaspoon of urad dal. When the mustard starts to splutter, add curry leaves. Just fry for a minute. Add 2 chopped onions and 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Just crush them and fry for some time. To this, add 2 tomatoes and continue frying. As I said earlier, radish leaves are nutritious, but most of the time they are discarded. As the onions and the tomatoes soften, it's time to add all the spices. First, I will sprinkle salt to taste. I will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Rovina's buffered masala powder. Just give a mix. Now I am going to share with you an important tip on how to cook any kind of vegetables to retain its flavor and the nutrients. I will add the chopped radish. I will add the leaves later so that they don't get overcooked. Mix it up well and add a cup of water. While cooking veggies, remember to cover the vessel with a lid. The veggies release moisture in the form of the steam and the lid traps the steam, undergoes condensation and the water droplets drop back into the dish, retaining the natural flavors and the nutrients. The radish is cooked well and it's time to add the greens. So I will just put the greens on top and close the lid again so that they become little soft, and then I will mix it. After a minute, I will open the lid, give a good mix and sprinkle some coconut on top. Once again, mix everything, close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. You can follow the same method to cook any kind of vegetables. Our radish leaves stir fry is ready to serve, nature's bounty preserved in each flavorful bite. For a complete seasonal feast, I have paired this dish with steamed rice and a flavorful fish curry. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you for watching my video.